Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing an unboxing of Ulta Beauty box of goodies that I got from Black Friday, and here we go. So I already opened the box, so it's easier to push things out. The first thing I'm going to show you is this Echo Tools kit of makeup brushes, and it has 4 brushes for cheeks and for brows. So there's 1, 2, 3 fanning cheek brushes, and then 1 brow brush. And these are, I believe, vegan and cruelty-free brushes. So yeah, I'm super excited about this kit, and it's great for highlighting and accenting, and it shows you some things in the back to let you know how to use the brushes. And I got this for a great deal. I think it was $10, and it's a value of $32, so that's a great deal. The next thing I got is this Anastasia Glow Kit, and I've been really into getting Anastasia products lately because everyone raves about it. And this is the Sun, let's see, it's the Sun Dipped Glow Kit, and it's great because I got these brushes and now I can use it on this new palette. So these are Bronze, Summer, Tourmaline, and Moonstone. So these are really pretty. Let me get closer so you can see. It has a nice little shimmer to them, and I think it will look great on my skin tone. I have a more like yellow based skin tone, so I'm super excited to be using this glow kit. So I think with these brushes, I think it's gonna look great. The next thing I got was this setting spray from Milani, and I've been wanting to use a good setting spray, and this one had really good reviews on Ulta Beauty. It got like 4.5, 5 stars. It is a 16-hour wear setting spray. I've never used it before, and I'm gonna give it a try. If you use this setting spray, I'll make put some comments down below and let me know how you like it. And then next thing up, I didn't buy this one at Ulta Beauty. I actually got this at Nordstrom, and it came in the mail today, so I thought I'm doing a beauty haul anyways, and I would talk about it. So it's the All Nighter Urban Decay Setting Spray. I'm going to compare this one to the Milani one that I just got. It's also a 16-hour wear lightweight setting spray. So what I'm going to do is actually compare these two and see which one I like better. If you use the Urban Decay one and you think it's great, you have comments about it, or you don't like it, put some comments down below and I'll take a look at it. So this is my makeup haul, and thank you for watching my video. Follow me and subscribe down below, or you can follow me on Instagram at Designer Haul. Thanks again. Bye.